Alam niyo po ba na in the entire world, only Thailand has the richest soil? I'm excited. I ordered it already. I'm excited to have it in my hand. A collagen drink where you drink 10 packets consecutively every day. Si ate is 65 years old and that's what she's taking. She has a 95 years old mom na may dementia, is taking some of the supplements. Dahil parang 16 years old, naalala ang lahat. Hey guys, good morning. It is snowing outside and I have an appointment later today. So I skipped the morning kasi it is really like about the same the other day na parang bagsakan talaga yung snow. And ayaw ko talagang mag-drive ng makapalang snow sa daan. But yes, so I have a good news to share to you guys. I'm so excited to share this to everyone na yung parang I felt na I have to really express this in social media na for the longest time, guys, since natuto ako magbenta, I am very passionate in hustling money, but hindi po ako basta-basta sumasaling ng mga kahit na ano. Alam mo yun, magre-recruit sa iyo, then mag-recruit ka, then mag-recruit ka, then mag-recruit ka in order for you to earn money. I found a company na not only that I can benefit as a a member, I can also help the humanity. So the other day, yesterday, I met Ate Josie, which haven't met her for about 6 years. She is a nurse in Masonic Hospital. Siya po yung parang nurse namin ni Zoe when I was still pregnant. Siya po yung nagtitake care sa akin sa triage every week na napapadaan ako. Kasi when I was pregnant with Zoe, every week nasa triage ako kasi I was placenta previa. Yung parang dinudugo ako parati. And there was like scared moment na muntik na yan. Muntik ko nang mawala si Zoe. But with their help, Ate Josie helped me kasi I was admitted for a magnesium, yung parang ini-inject ka ng sobrang init sa katawan mo guys, para lang magkalma yung muscle at hindi ko i-erase si Zoe. So, Ate Josie, I haven't met her for so long. Nagkita kami ulit and she said na in-invite ako, sabi niya, hey, let's go to a buffet. Sabi niya ganon, and we'll meet Yoli. Yoli is also a retired nurse. Pilipina siya dito. And I did not know what's coming. I did not know what I am going to hear. So there were a couple of doctors in the room. And they said, if you have time, you can stay and listen. If not, you're open to leave. Walang pwersahan, kumbaga. So I said, well, I have some time. Then Ate Josie was like, stay a little bit. So I stayed a little bit. So while we are eating, there was a presentation. Okay? This is a product that is allowed to prescribe. Yung mga doktor po ay nagpe-prescribe ng mga supplements na to. The board of directors are doctors. And the CEO is also a doctor. So, I listen, I search it while they were doing the presentation. Alam mo na, pagka yung mentality mo ay yung parang hustler ka, then ayaw mong ma-scam ka o ayaw mong madali ka. Sa mga hustler dyan, alam niyo kung ano ang sinasabi ko. So, while they were doing presentation, I was searching. Kasi I can walk away, right? I can walk away. So, I was doing some of the research while they're doing it. And they are brand new in the market. They're about 2 years and a half. And they are all over the country. Globally po sila. The headquarters is in Utah. There's Canada. There is Hong Kong. There's Thailand ba? Australia. And may isa pang continent. So, yes, Asia, Philippines, kasama po. And their products are really effective. The reason why I say effective, okay? A user, yung parang siya, gumagamit siya, a product review. Okay, Ate is 83 years old. 83 years old. She has, may taning na po yung buhay niya. Alam mo yung parang doktor sasabihin sa'yo, she wasn't able to walk. She was like in the wheelchair, in the bed, losing her hope. But she was crying deep inside to herself na, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon. Bigyan mo ako ng kahit ano. Kahit ano. Yung parang ganun, bigyan mo ako ma-extend lang yung life ko. She has proof, and this is not a lie, right? Until she visited a Filipino doctor. A Filipino doctor said, there's nothing to lose kasi mayroon na siyang 2 taon na ilulose niya. And she tried one of the product of 3 International. That was 2 years ago. Okay? When they were brand new pa po yung company. And she tried it, and I can't believe she's 80 years old, but she looks so younger. 83, she looks so younger to her age. She was alive and kicking, and mas energetic pa yata siya kaysa sa nanay ko. No muscle ache, no pain, no nothing. She can sleep peacefully. She sleep about 8 hours to 10 hours a day. Yan ang sabi niya, kasi pagka tumatanda tayo, yung sleep natin ay nade-deprive tayo, parang yung sleep natin is nasa 4 hours lang, yung mga ganon. In my age, yung mga premenopausal, yung atin naman ay we are thinning sa ating hair, we're thinning, elasticity ng ating skin. I have melasma, which you barely see kasi I'm using my soap and I am putting some foundation on and blush on. Then, yung lumalaki yung mga bilbil natin, kahit na ano yung exercise na gagawin natin, di ba? Hindi nagsasubside yung bilbil kasi pagka nag-age na tayo, metabolism natin, yung hormones natin ay nag-change. They have a product, collagen.
Let's talk about collagen because they are for sure not created equal.
My skin has completely transformed. It looks so much younger than what it did prior to using this collagen.
I also like to point out what a huge boost it's done for my lash growth. Extra bonus right there.
I love that they have a 10-day on, 20-day off cycle that teaches your body how to reproduce collagen. That is amazing.
My hair is stronger, it's healthier, it's better than it's ever been.
It is so good for your joints as well and your stomach lining.
A Rip and Sip collagen is ideal for somebody on the go. There's no mixing, promoting healthy hair and nails and skin. You rip it and sip it.
I'm excited. I ordered it already. I'm excited to have it in my hand. A collagen drink where you drink 10 packets consecutively every day. Then, wait, you stop taking on the 11th day. 10 lang po ang laman ng isang box. Then, you drink it every day up to your 10th day. Then, you wait for 20 days to let that collagen absorb to your system and let the collagen rebuild in your body. So, yung mga thinning ng ating hair, yung ating mga pilik mata, ay talagang magre-revive po siya. Yung glowing, yung skin natin. Si ate is 65 years old and that's what she's taking. She has a 95 years old mom na may dementia, is taking some of the supplements. Dahil parang 16 years old, naalala ang lahat. You know? So, I want to share this to you guys. I will leave you the link in the description. Search it yourself. I'm not forcing you, but I'm gonna be your living review because I am taking the collagen for 10 days. Then I have Revive, which is for yung mga muscle pain, joint pain, yung mga kasukasuan natin, yung mga arthritis natin. I will give it to my mom and I will take the review from my mom herself. Then Tammy is taking GLP-3. Alam mo yung parang nagpapapayat? GLP-3 is a drop. Ida-drop mo lang siya sa tang mo, then it will suppress your hunger, then gradual po ang pag-lose ng weight. Hindi po kagaya ng mga injectable na bigla-bigla. Gumaganon ka, then bigla-bigla tumatanda ka, hindi po yung naglo-lose yung skin mo kasi biglaan ang payat. This one, no. Wala po siya kasi it comes from, extracted from the natural plants. Alam niyo po ba na in the entire world, only Thailand has the richest soil. Kasi yung iba ay talagang fertilized na. Sa Thailand lang po nakakita ang doktor ng talagang nutritious soil. So doon nila ini-extract ang lahat ng mga ingredients ng mga to para i-build into something na helpful. The board of directors are doctors around the world. Isa dito, bakit tayo mag-Chicago? It's because she was an anesthesiologist. And she bumped into a friend. And a friend referred her. And as a doctor, you cannot just prescribe anything unless it is proven, unless it is FDA approved, or unless it is approved by the board of whatever, blah, blah, blah. It is in the book of the doctor's prescription book. Alam mo yung prescription book? Alam niyo, minsan pagka pupunta ka sa doktor, din yung doktor is baguhan, mayroon silang libro na kung ano yung symptoms mo, hinahanap nila yung right prescription. These products are in that book. So, allowed po siya i-prescribe ng mga doktor as a supplement. As a supplement po. So, I'm so excited, guys. I actually signed up as a brand ambassador. So, I will be promoting it and I'll be taking it myself para po ang review natin ay mas maganda. At the same time, kung gusto nyo po maging brand ambassador, it is $1 until January 26. I will put the link in the description. Pag hindi kayo satisfied, pag hindi gumana sa inyo, guys, pwede kayong bigyan ng refund. It's whose company who will refund. I tried some of the supplements before, yung mga spoiled child, yung parang you pour it into a shot, then isa-shot mo. That was fine as well, pero it becomes expensive. Alam mo yung parang subscription, nagiging expensive siya. Nandyan pa nga meron pa akong isa dyan But this one, if you are an ambassador, you will get a wholesale price para it's either your consumption or gusto mong i-retail. Ang kagandahan nito ay pwede kang kumita as well. If you are looking for, there's two ways. If you are looking for an extra hassle, and walang pwersahan, you can earn commission. Then from that commission, you know, it will build up. Yung parang it's kind of like resharing it to someone. And I understand a lot of people are skeptical. You know, makakilala ako, mas gusto pa nilang sumali sa mga grupo-grupo na nagpa-promise ng multiple millions of money. And then, sabi na pagka nag-invest ka, you can withdraw money double after a month or after a few months. Mas gustong-gusto pa ng mga Pinoy na sumali sa mga ganon. At the end of it, zero. Wala kang kikitain, na-scam ka pa. But this one, you have a money-back guarantee. It is also a 1099. I think it is taxable. At the same time, kung ayaw mong maging brand ambassador and you don't wanna do the commitment, just gusto mo lang uminom o gusto mo lang mag-try ng product, the link is in the description. I don't wanna lie. So, marami pong nagre-recruit sa akin ng mga ganitong klaseng mga business. Yung parang i-recruit ka din kasi gusto mong magbenta. This one, I am 100%, 1000%. Kasi not only that I am saving money for myself sa personally use ko, there's a potential as well na I could earn some extra commissions pagka may gustong bumili at I can retail some of my products as well. You know, wala kong mawawala. Plus, their products are very, very affordable. At the same time, mga needs po natin, yung mga tumatanda na tayo, yung mga toxins natin sa katawan, they have supplements other than, you know, going to Walgreens, going to the out of the counter, bibili ka ng mga vitamins doon. It's the same, you know? So, this one, you are taking some pills in a day, you know, yung mga toxins natin sa katawan, i-release po niyan, you will be like, alam mo yung para kang nag-detox or para kang, yung parang sa kidney, anong tawag doon? Yung parang nire-refresh yung blood system mo. It acts like that. Then they have product. This is what I'm excited about. Paunti-unti lang kasi wala tayong pera. Alam mo yun? they have this serum. It is a Neuroderma serum. Neuro is head, is brain. Derma is, yung skin natin, right? So, ipapahid mo siya sa mukha mo. Yan yung gamit ng 95 years old. Ipapahid mo yung serum sa mukha mo. Then, mag-a-absorb po siya. Long term, talagang yung pagka makalimutin ka, alam mo na, pagka tumatanda tayo, makalimutin na tayo. Long term, it helps your memory. Long term, yung mga may mga Alzheimer's, yung mga makalimutin. Guys, talaga yung brain fog natin pagka nag-iedad na tayo at nasa nasa premenopausal na tayo, nagkaka-brain fog, wala tayong energy sometimes. They have it all. So I am so excited. I signed up for the lowest package. Yung pinakamababa lang, I have 6 free products plus $1 na sign up fee. So, yung appearance po niya, una mong kita is 30, but when you go down, regular is $30 pagka walang promo. But then, when you go to checkout, when you click continue, mag-ano po yung promo code? $1 na lang. Guys, huwag nang palampasin yung $1. You try it. Try it yourself. Excited ako pag dumating. I will be taking videos and yung parang araw-araw ko siyang kunin yung ating pagtitake ng collagen. I'm excited for the collagen kasi mayroon tayong thinning of the hair. Then mayroon tayong wrinkles dito. Yan, may mga wrinkles tayo dito. Then my nails are brittle. At the same time, wala tayong mga pilik mata. Gustong-gusto ko yun. So, you take it for 10 days and then let your body, reheal. So, yung collagen mo ay mag-build up. Ganun, guys. Yan. So, yeah. Hopefully, it will help you sa mga nanay po na nasa bahay lang at gustong-gustong kumita. Once you sign up, you have your own website. You have your own website. Sino ba ang nagnegosyo na walang kapital? Guys, pag ikaw magnegosyo, you need to build your website. Mag-Shopify ka. Shopify is about $29 and $99 every month in order for you to keep selling. Mag-GoDaddy ka, magkano ang domain na bibilhin mo. Magsa-sign up ka ng mga Amazon to sell. How much is the monthly pay for Amazon business para na makapag-resell ka ng product? There's nothing free in the world. All you have to do is to really trust yourself. It's not gonna turn millions overnight, but if you are going to preach it in a way na you are helping the humanity, kasi ito they are building one product. It's not proven yet, but there's so many cancer survivors who are taking their I forgot the name, Eternal yata yun, Eternal product, who are taking their products, slowly recovered. Yung para sa toxin ng body, slowly recovered. They are trying to do more clinicals about it if it is the cure of cancer. They are also studying one product, hindi pa na-launch, but they are doing something to help the humanity na yung mga vitamins, yung mga gamot natin ngayon are all toxins in our body. This company is trying to rebuild the source of yung parang mga medications. Gusto nilang hindi yung pattern kumbaga ng paggawa ng mga medications are all toxins. So gusto nilang umiwas doon. Gusto nilang more on the natural side but with the maximum benefit. Meron silang product na talagang mag-change yung body mo up to 70% yung malose yung weight mo. 70% guys. 70% in just one product. And I cannot say anything kasi wala pa dito yung product ko. But I've seen reviews and I've met people na yung asawa nila ay na-stroke, yung may difficulty na sa mga muscle, may difficulty nang gumalaw, yung mga mukha naggaganyan-ganyan na, they take Revive And slowly gumaganda yung appearance ng tao. Slowly naka-recover from their difficulty in walking, difficulty in moving their muscles. If you are in Illinois, I would like to invite you to come to this group. Maliit lang po siya kasi it is a group of doctors lang. Hindi po siya yung parang nagre-recruit lang sila na nagre-recruit. No, it's not. They're not greedy. Hindi po. Pinipili po nila yung tamang tao na mag-join dito kasi they don't want to saturate it na yung parang naging na siya, yung parang naging kagaya ng ibang mga negosyo na alam mo yun, yung pag sumali ka ganito. This one, they don't focus for the income, they focus for the benefits of the product. But I am a hustler. So, I joined for both. One is to earn some commission pagka may bumili sa aking website. Second, I can save money by buying my personal use. Kasi pag hindi ako member at bibili ako, I am buying a retail price. But if I am a member, I can buy a wholesale price. Right? So, ganun lang. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Hopefully, you guys have a good weekend. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching my channel all the time. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please consider subscribing. I will be vlogging. We will be in Florida soon. Meron po kaming trip ni Tammy sa Florida. I'm not sure if I can vlog out there. It's because we are meeting the owner of the company where Tammy works. So Tammy is like a right hand of the company. So we are invited into the mansion. Invited po kami sa mansion ng may-ari ng company. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Guys, mayroon akong news sa inyo. Naalala nyo ba yung vinlog ko sa inyo before na kaibigan ko nung nagtitinda pa ako ng mga soap. Siya pong kasama kong show sa Nevada. Matagal po kaming walang connection since 2020. Nag-cut po ang ating contact sa kanya. Nawala siya. Hindi ko siya makontak, hindi ko siya matawagan, hindi ko siya matext. Then walang sa Facebook, wala din siya. Hindi siya masyado active kasi she is in her 60s na. Today, she added me in Facebook. Sabi ko, ay, andito pa pala to. Akala ko nasa Pilipinas na to. Kasi the last time she told me she is retiring sa trabaho niya as a nurse in Masonic, Illinois. So nung tinawagan ako, tamang-tama wala si Tammy ngayon kasi si Tammy has a work in Memphis. Kailangan niyang lumipad para tingnan yung equipment na bibilhin, then fly back again. Arrival niya is 6 o'clock. So sabi niya sa akin, may oras ka ba? Let's meet up in downtown. Kasi andito siya sa downtown. Nagpapa-apostle ng kanyang notarized na papadala niya sa Pilipinas. So, andito ako ngayon. Guys, maaga ako dumating. Hindi pa siya tapos. Nasa pila pa siya. Sabi niya, parking ka muna. So, andito ako sa parking. And, it says, mobile pay, whatever, 7-day parking, blah, blah. Nag-hazard lang ako ngayon. I'm not sure if I have to pay parking right now. Kasi sabi niya, I'll be done in about less than 30 minutes. So, nag-hazard ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang rules ng parking dito sa City of Chicago. Basta, andito ako sa tapat ng bayaran. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko magbayad ng ilang oras. Kasi madali lang naman eh. So, pagka may pulis mamaya, sasabihin ko na lang na I just arrived. Hindi ko lang alam. So, I'm crossing my fingers, hindi tayo matikitan. Kasi, I put my hazard. I did not leave. Ganon. I'm not sure. Andito ako sa tapat ng Palmer's house. So, we'll see. Pagtapos na siya, then, I can go pass by. Sabi niya, let's go to Chinatown. Hanap tayo ng kakainan sa Chinatown. Let's catch up. Kasi wala. Oy, nagsasalisihan kami kasi one way ang lahat ng mga road dito. Sabi sa akin, andito ako ng Washington ng State. Diretso ka sa Macy's. Diretso ako ng Macy's. Sabi niya, bakit nandiyan ka sa Macy's? Nandito ako sa Washington. Ano ba yan? Ayan na siya. Teka lang.
Hi, this is Dr. Dan, Chief Scientific Officer at 3. Eternel is our premier anti-aging and longevity product. This purple pouch contains 200 milligrams of resveratrol, glutathione, and CoQ10. Eternel helps you age better, look better, and feel better. It is listed in the prescriber's digital reference, or PDR, highly absorbable, and clinically studied. In short, Eternel is an anti-aging wonder. Ask the person who sent you this video if you're interested in learning more.
Now let me blow your mind.
Hi, this is Dr. Dan, Chief Scientific Officer at 3. Vitalite is one of our flagship products and provides all the vitamins, minerals, enzymes, chlorophyll, prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics the body needs for proper function. Vitalite is highly absorbable, clinically studied, and listed in the prescriber's digital reference, or PDR. Vitalite provides natural energy, balances hormones, boosts gut health, and banishes brain fog. In short, Vitalite is the best multivitamin on the planet. Ask the person who sent you this video if you're interested in learning more.